person invested a total amount of rupees 15 lakh. A part of it was invested in a fixed deposit earning 6% annual interest, and the remaining amount was invested in two other deposits in the ratio 2:1, earning annual interest rates of 4% and 3% respectively. If the total annual interest income is rupees 76,000, then the amount in rupees lakh invested in the fixed deposit was. Again, this is a theta type of question. That means type in the answer. We know the formula for simple interest as PNR upon 100. Out of that, we know that n, that is number of years, is 1 in this problem. So let's try and solve this question further. Now we have a total amount of 15 lakh. Some amount is deposited at 6% annual interest rate, and the remaining is distributed in the ratio 2:1. So let's assume the first amount as 2x and the next amount as x. Now the interest rate for 2x is 4%. So we can say that the interest earned on this amount will be 0.08x. Rate for the next one is 3%. The interest earned on this amount will be 0.03x. So now we can see that a total amount of 2x plus x, that is 3x, is invested. Now the remaining amount, that means 15 lakh minus 3x. Now the total interest is given in thousands, that is 76,000. So we will convert lakhs to thousand. So 15 lakh is nothing but 1500,000. So writing all the values amounts in terms of thousand, we will have 1500 minus 3x. This amount is deposited at 6%. So the interest earned on this amount will be 90 minus 0.18x. So adding up all the interests earned on these three different amounts, we get the addition as 90 minus 0.07x. This is nothing but the total annual interest income. But this is given to us as 76,000. As all values are in thousands, we will just write it down as equal to 76. So now solving this further, we get the equation as 0.07x is equal to 14. Solving further, we get the value of x as 200. That means 200,000, or in other words 2 lakh rupees. So the first amount invested will be 2x, that is 4 lakh, and the second amount will be 2 lakhs. The amount invested in the fixed deposit is the total amount minus the addition of these two. So we get the answer as 15 lakh minus 4 lakh minus 2 lakh is equal to 9 lakh. That will be our answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.